Welcome back to Tech Update, the place where you can find useful tech for you. Please let us know if you enjoyed the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. The helicopter you see on the screen, the Sikorsky Raider X, allows us to envision the future of these flying vehicles. The Raider X from the American firm is an example of what the most technologically advanced helicopters will look like in the coming years. The Sikorsky idea was created exclusively for the U.S. Army's Future Assault Reconnaissance Aircraft program, which began in 2018. In addition to two coaxial rotors, the helicopter features a pusher propeller at the back, and the pilot seats are arranged one behind the other. This system allows the hull to be smaller, which improves the helicopter's aerodynamics. This, combined with the helicopter's powerful GE T901 engine, allows it to attain a top speed of 463 km/h while remaining nimble and responsive to the pilot's directions. The Raider X hovers at a low speed before braking and speeding up. The MCX-SIG. This weapon was created primarily to suit the demands of security personnel. It has a modular architecture that allows it to be customized for various tasks. According to the manufacturer, there are over 500 different variants. The rifle's stock is foldable and adjustable, allowing it to be used by any shooter. The thick barrel and two-stage trigger improve accuracy, and the MCX-V2's by SIG is extremely reliable and wear-resistant. The developers promised a total of 20,000 shots without the need to repair any parts. Several testing and experiments have demonstrated that the weapon can resist even the harshest conditions. It's been submerged in mud, water, and even frozen, yet it's still going strong. Tactical drone gun. When you first see this amazing gun, you might think it fires unusual projectiles like square-shaped bullets, but the Dronegun Tactical is a portable drone mitigation device whose main advantage is that it neutralizes drones in a careful and completely safe manner. It creates a powerful signal that mutes the drone's antenna, and when the drone is hit by the signal, it activates its safety mode. The video recording ends and the drone lands immediately, or it returns to its operator and assists in tracking their whereabouts. In either case, the drone is unharmed. The Dronegun Tactical has a range of 2 kilometers. The design is lightweight and just takes a few minutes to set up. Dagor Polaris. Although Polaris is best known for their ATVs, the company also produces high-quality military equipment. The Dagor is an ultralight off-road vehicle designed to transport infantry. It is the perfect size to be moved from one location to another in a military transport chopper. Despite its small size, the Dagor is capable of transporting up to 9 passengers. We'd like to call attention to the vehicle's weight-to-payload ratio. The vehicle's overall weight is just under 4 tons, but it can tow cargoes up to 3 tons, and the load on board can be up to 1,800 kilograms. The manufacturer emphasizes the vehicle's exceptional mobility and ability to operate through challenging terrain. The Polaris Dagor is the ideal vehicle for rapidly and efficiently transporting personnel to difficult terrain. The T7L3 Harris with the caliber Mark IV. Providing a high level of protection for personnel who risk their lives on a daily basis is a priority, particularly when it comes to intelligence work. The machines you're looking at right now are ideal for this job. The caliber Mark IV and T7 robots are capable of entering areas that are too dangerous for humans to approach. The caliber Mark IV robots were created by engineers from the Canadian company iCore Technology, while the T7 robots were created by engineers from the American company L3 Harris. However, both performed similar tasks. First, they work with cars. The robotic platforms can lift cars, tow them, break windows, puncture tires, and open the boot. To put it another way, they can neutralize whatever threat the caliber Mark poses. If this is not possible, the T7L3 Harris is called upon to take an explosive object from the interior and transport it to a safe distance. The gadget not only feeds video to the operator, but it can also conduct simple manipulations. Experts can neutralize a bomb within the car since the robots are tiny and can go over tough terrain, allowing them to reach locations that are difficult to reach. The NVGB goggles are a perfect night vision system for these situations because they are equipped with the latest light amplification technology that helps you see better at night, when it's more difficult to ensure the proper level of security. Special military units don't have regular working hours and may be required to perform tasks at any time of day or night when it's more difficult to ensure the proper level of security. Clearly, even if lighting is low, the thermal channel recognizes people by detecting heat from them, and both images can be layered on each other to provide nearly flawless visibility. The Triton G810 is a creation of the Canadian Manufacturing and Operations Strait Group. We've already spoken about a military land vehicle, so today we'll talk about an aquatic vehicle. This ship is used for a number of missions, such as patrols, and can be equipped with a weapon system, a scaling ladder, a thermal imaging camera, a recording camera, and a wireless communications network if necessary. The company provides a variety of options, including anti-piracy and tactical work with up to 10 passengers. The ship's top speed is 100 km per hour, and it has 2 engines with a combined output of 500 horsepower. Quantum cloaking. Humans have dreamed of invisibility suits and cloaks for many years, and while it's too early to talk about a truly comprehensive invisibility technology, there have already been breakthroughs in this field. Quantum stealth from the Canadian corporation Hyperstealth, which used only the laws of physics to create this almost transparent material. We won't bore you with the technical intricacies because you're looking at a lightweight paper-thin material that functions according to Snell's law. Let's just say the material refracts light in such a manner that a person looking through it can only see objects that are very close to them or very far away from them. The last and most remarkable military device we'll show you is a device of the future, the multi-mission railgun. General Atomics, an American company, finished assembling and running tests a multi-purpose compact railgun a few years ago that will be used by the Navy in the future. Engineers are offering numerous modifications to eliminate multiple objectives regardless of difficulty level. The standard version of this weapon system has a power of 10 megajoules and shoots kinetic metal projectiles. When it comes to eliminating aerodynamic and ballistic targets in the air, the version for attacking marine and land targets uses hypersonic kinetic projectiles, while the last version uses explosive projectiles with tungsten balls inside. This version is more cost-effective than the traditional one. Finally, we'll go through how a railgun works. It's a weapon that launches a projectile using electromagnetic forces. It has a larger range and a higher acceleration rate. The projectiles are smaller, making them easier to store. It's less explosive than other projectiles, extending the ship's lifespan. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Tech Update. On our channel we'll keep you updated about the most useful, new technology, and gadgets. Subscribe now and you won't be disappointed.